Welcome to our channel. Setting up entertainment apps on Fire Stick means creating a balanced collection of services. Follow these step-by-step instructions for comprehensive coverage. Step 1. Start with one or two major streaming services based on your content preferences. Netflix for originals, Disney Plus for family content, or HBO Max for prestige TV. Step 2. Add several free apps to supplement paid subscriptions. Pluto TV, Tubi, Freevee, and YouTube provide thousands of free movies and shows. Step 3. Install news apps like ABC News, CBS News, and CNN for free live news coverage without cable subscriptions. Step 4. Add music apps like Spotify or Pandora for audio entertainment. Both offer free ad-supported tiers. Step 5. Download sports apps appropriate to your interests. ESPN for highlights, league apps for specific sports, or live TV services for comprehensive coverage. Step 6. Install niche services for specific interests. Crunchyroll for anime, Shudder for horror, CuriosityStream for documentaries. Step 7. Organize your home screen with frequently used apps easily accessible. Move or remove apps you rarely use. Step 8. Review your subscriptions regularly. Cancel services you're not using and consider rotating between platforms to access different content throughout the year. Building a thoughtful collection beats chasing apps promising everything for free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.